Thousands of users are freaking out because Grok has stopped working for free accounts. No more chatbots, no more free video generator. But the good news is you can still use Grok without breaking the bank. But the bad news is you have to pay. Yes, Grok is no longer for free. You have to pay before you use Grok. Either you pay monthly or you pay yearly, but you must actually make payment, which is actually not a bad thing, because we have been using this Grok for a very long time. We have been using Grok for a very long time, and with all the features in Grok, it is a very beautiful app, and there is no problem if you actually pay. We all know that if you are doing a dialogue film, if you are doing a dialogue video, Grok is actually the best when it comes to, conversations between the characters. Grok is actually the best. And now it's no longer free. You need to pay for it, but you can get it for a cheaper rate. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Oluwatoyin. On this channel, we talk on how you can use AI tools to create AI videos, and we also talk about AI tools, and I also teach on how you can monetize your faceless account. And if it's something you are actually interested in, you need to subscribe and like this video, and yes, of course, turn on notification bell so when next I drop a video, you will be alerted. For now, let's go straight into the video. Grok is owned by the same person, the same man who owns Twitter, which we now know as X. The thing is, Grok has been built inside Twitter. Like, Grok is inside Twitter. It is like Twitter AI. Grok is inside Twitter for a very long time, and a lot of people do not know this. Now, I guess what they're trying to do is that they want more people using Twitter, meaning when you want to use Grok, you need to have a Twitter account. We can do without having a Twitter account. I do not necessarily need a Twitter account because I am not a fan of Twitter, but now you need a Twitter account if you want to use Grok. So if you do not have Twitter, you need a Twitter account now. Grok is in Twitter, like it is inside Twitter. It's an app inside Twitter. So what they are trying to do is that they want more people to be on Twitter. They want more members. Now, when you join Twitter, you need to subscribe. That is what they are doing. I guess that's what they want to do. They are looking for more subscribers, like people to subscribe more on the Twitter app. They need more subscribers on Twitter, so you must join Twitter. And when you join Twitter, you must join one of their plans. Now, they have 3 plans. They have the basic plan, they have the premium and the premium plus plan. You need to join one. If you go on your Play Store or your App Store to download Grok, now what you are going to see there is this, and you'll be seeing you have to pay $25 a month to actually get Grok. Like, if you download through your App Store or your Play Store, this is what you're going to be seeing. I'll be leaving a screenshot about it. But if you want it in a cheaper rate, you have to go through Twitter. When you go to Twitter, you of course open an account, and yes, of course, you are going to see there on Twitter for $2, for $3, for $5. It will be cheaper. Now let me show you how to get this, how to do this on your Twitter account. First things first is to go to your App Store and download X, or you can say Twitter. But when you tap on X, when you press X, you are going to see the X account like this. You can go to your Safari browser and type on x.com. You open a new account, you sign up or log in. Now, when you log into the account, you are going to see this particular place. Just tap on it. Now, you are going to see things like this. Tap on premium. When you tap on premium, it's going to take you over to the membership program, like for you to be a member, like a paid member of Twitter. Now, the premium says 3,800 per month. As you can see, it says 50% off for 2 months. Or the basic says 3,050 naira per month. Or the premium plus says 30,195 naira per month. Me, I'll definitely be going for this one, which says 3,050 naira per month. I'm going to go for the basics, so I'm just going to tap on basics and I'm going to tap on subscribe and pay. Now you are going to be adding, when you tap on it, takes you over to this place. You are going to add your account. You add all your details, your email, your payment method using card. Now you want to make sure you pay using your Visa or your MasterCard. I currently have a Valve card right now, and I have to change it. I have to go get a new one for me to be able to apply on this. So you put in all your information, and yeah, you subscribe to it, and just like that, you'll be in the Twitter partnership program or Twitter membership, you also have Twitter membership, and you'll be able to download Grok. I want to just show you an example of an account that is already a membership on that has membership on Twitter. Now, when you go to your account itself, you see these three button here, these three dots here. You are going to tap on it, and you will see things: premium, video, communities, and so on. This is actually a premium account, and this is everything you'll be getting in the premium account. You'll be getting things like this: Grok, Creator Studio, Analytics, and so on. And now we are going to tap on Grok. When you tap on Grok, you're going to see download Grok, get. But when you tap on get, I don't want to use this account because this is not mine. This is for someone. So if I tap on get, I am going to download Grok straight from the Twitter app. And just like that, you have gotten the Grok app.